Oh man, what a great day, huh? Friday we picked up this load in Dellsport, Washington State. Oh man, the wind was brutal. That was the worst wind I've ever had to deal with. I could only throw one strap and then go over and secure it and literally tighten it because all the excess would blow out. So I was literally doing one strap to completion and then throw the next one. And I put 19 straps on that load. And it took over an hour. I think it took me an hour and a half or longer to just secure the load. And that's not talking about tarping it. And when I got in there, there was a flatbed over there, and I thought he was untarping. And it turns out he was trying to tarp that load. When the guy gave me my paperwork, he goes, listen, we don't normally do this, but we've been watching that guy, that other flatbed guy, and he's having a hell of a time. So we're going to allow you to go to a truck stop and tarp the load. So that's what I did. When I got all done, I drove 73 miles back to that Love's that we spent the night at on Thursday. Literally, I did a complete circle back to the same Love's and parked it between two dry vans and put my tarps up there and tarped it at the Love's. And it was a good thing that I was between those two dry vans because it really did shield the wind so that I didn't have too much problems. It didn't blow off, but I would have to lay one out and then get down and put some bungees on it and then go back up, put the next one out and do the same thing. But this load was supposed to be delivered today, Tuesday. But I didn't have the hours to make it. I'm running on recaps. So they changed my appointment to tomorrow at 5 o'clock tomorrow evening. And really what I've been doing is because Monday, which was yesterday, I would have had a 0 day. On Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, I just did short days so that I could have some hours for Monday. And then this morning, my recap hours were 8 hours and 55 minutes. So drove all the way to here to Atkinson, which was 530 miles, I think. I had like 10 minutes left on my clock when it shut down. 13 minutes, actually. So we have like 376 miles to get to Romulus, Michigan, which is just south of Detroit area, which is past Ann Arbor. And like I said, we can't be there till 5 o'clock. It's a Home Depot distribution, so I know they're not going to take us early. And I can't be late either. So we probably won't leave until about 9 in the morning. Well, we made it to the Home Depot distribution center here in Michigan. Got here about 4:30, got checked in and had us drive into this area. And it took me about an hour to get 3 tarps off and everything put away. He's got two more bundles to take off the truck, and we'll be out of here. I haven't got my new load yet, so they got some parking. I'm probably going to stay right here. We'll see. But anyway, I have no idea where we're going to go.